I typed one lazy sentence into Kittl and got back 3 finished t-shirt designs, the mock-ups, the Etsy listing photos, and a video ad, and I never wrote a single prompt. Here's why that matters. I've sold millions of dollars in print-on-demand designs, and the actual bottleneck was never the ideas. It was things like the grunt work between the idea and the listing, things like engineering prompts, picking models, setting sizes, rebuilding the same design for every color and platform. Now, Kittl's new Agentic AI, which only recently just launched, works like an assistant instead of a generator. You describe what you want in plain words. It'll decide the best model, it'll write the full prompt behind the scenes, set the sizes, and really execute the whole chain. If you haven't heard of Agentic AI, you will hear about it again in the future. This is where things are heading, and this is your chance at getting out ahead of your competition if you take print on demand seriously. So watch how little I type from here on. So I'm here in Kittl. If you guys are new and you want to follow along, I will drop a link below this video. They are defaulting on their homepage to Agentic AI. They're keeping that right there as the default because they're betting you're gonna love it. And I think you will too after you see how I've been using it. So for the first demo, I'm gonna add one of my best sellers. I've got this design that says, I'm ready to crush kindergarten. I'm gonna go ahead and hit use image, and I'm gonna tell Kittl's Agentic AI, create a version for first grade, second grade, third grade, and fourth grade. And I'm gonna run that prompt. Just like that, we have our outputs. I'm ready to crush first grade, second grade, third grade, and fourth grade, just like we asked for. Now, I wanna show you the full potential of how to use Kittl's Agentic AI. If you're brand new and you don't have any best-selling designs yet, well, we can go back to the drawing board. I'm just gonna remove that design that I fed in, and let's start completely fresh. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, create 4 different t-shirt designs for a grandpa who is obsessed with fishing. So we've got our target audience in a specific niche, a very popular niche at that. Let's go ahead and see what it comes up with. So let's check it out. We've got 4 different designs here that it created for us. And what's really cool is you can click into each design, and what you'll notice in the top right corner is it gives you the prompt details that led to that image being created. All from our simple, like 1 sentence prompt. You know, it did all of this for us. So that first design, grandpa's favorite place is the lake. The second one, real cool grandpa. The third, fishing is my obsession. Real, relax, repeat. And then fourth, born to fish, grandfather by choice. I really like all of these designs if I'm being honest, but let's go ahead just for the sake of this video. And what I'm gonna do is restyle. How about this one right here with the image of the grandpa and the fish in hand? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit remix. Okay, now it is going to pull that back into our AI prompting box. I'm gonna delete the old prompt and I'm gonna say, restyle this in a vintage look and feel, in a tattoo look and feel, in a grunge look and feel with a distressed effect, and restyle it one more time in a like vintage retro sunset design style. And just like that, we've got exactly what we asked for, 4 different design styles based on that initial output. And now we can remix it, because why stop here, guys? These are not going to appeal to you if you're not a grandpa, but what if you're, I don't know, a dad that loves fishing or an uncle that loves fishing? I'm gonna go ahead with the vintage sunset. I like that one the most. Call me old fashioned. I'm gonna go ahead and hit remix. Then I'm gonna go ahead and say, create a version of this for dad, and then create a separate version of this for uncle. And there's our version for dad and for an uncle. And by the way, if you want it to change the appearance or the age of the character in the design, you can also obviously ask it to do that. But let's go back to the grandpa optimized design. I'm gonna hit remix. I'm gonna go ahead and say, put this on a heather gray Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt mockup. It should be a flat mockup. Nobody should be wearing it. And of course, if you guys wanted it to generate multiple mockups, you just go ahead and give it what colors you want. And there it is, our Bella Canvas brand t-shirt. You can even see the tag there. They got that right. So what I'm gonna do now is feed that back in, and let's go ahead and let it know we are aiming to create an Etsy listing. So make my Etsy listing photos. We want a close-up detailed shot of this t-shirt with a complimentary background. We want a lifestyle image of this t-shirt being worn by a grandpa while he's fishing. We want this t-shirt next to a color chart. And then if you want to generate a 4th one that you think will help us close the sale, please do that. Well, we asked for it and we got it. There's 4 Etsy listing images created for us using the Agentic AI. It is as simple as telling it what we need and waiting about, I don't know, 30 seconds to receive it. I mean, we're in a completely new paradigm as print-on-demand sellers, but why stop here? What I'm gonna do is is I'm gonna grab this lifestyle photo. Let's go ahead and feed it in and delete the existing text. Create 3 Instagram ad images in different styles and formats based on this design that will generate interest in purchasing the t-shirt. And there we have 3 options to turn this into an ad that we can share on social media. 2 of them are the model wearing the shirt out there fishing. The other one is just the flat t-shirt mock-up. I love that they added the text, value propositions that gets someone excited to buy on top. Anyways, they did a great job. They have the shop now button too. Love that. Let's go back to the initial image that we fed in, and this one's simple. Turn this into a video. Yep, you can have it generate videos for you too. Let's check out the video ad here. It's short, it's only 4 seconds long, but it took us to the lake with the grandpa wearing the shirt, right? It's evoking those emotions for people that love fishing as if we're out there with him, right? I love that. This would work great as a Etsy listing video or potentially an Amazon video ad. If you guys have never tried those, they convert really well. Now let's take it back here to the Grandpa's My Fishing design. One more, I just want to show you guys what's possible. Just one more that came to mind here. If you sell multiple products in a single Etsy listing, which why wouldn't you? It's just going to increase your average order. You can do this. Render this design on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a hoodie, and a tank top, all in the same image. Put one in each of the 4 corners of the image. So guys, you can do things like that. You could also render this on a t-shirt and then have the t-shirt rendered in multiple colors all in one graphic. I just wanted to make sure you guys were thinking a little bit outside the box in a way that would help you sell this on Etsy. And there it is, just like we requested. We've got the t-shirt, the sweatshirt, the hoodie, and the tank top. Guys, go try Agentic AI in Kittl for free. I've got my link in the description, and for a limited time, use the code Agentic. This will get you 50% off annual plans if you want to upgrade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next video.